Good day po, teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Park kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So ngayon po, teachers, no? Mabilis lang po na pag-share ito pong announcement, no, regarding po sa mga educators, mga DepEd educators na meron pong nakuha na NAIAP e-learning courses scholarship. So, pag-uusapan po natin kung kailan po ang inyong orientation. So, dito po sa letter po ni Undersecretary Human Resource and Organizational Development, Wilfredo E. Cabral, ito pong launch of the e-learning courses scholarship program for DepEd educators. Kung maalala po natin, noong last January po ay naglabas po yung update ng NAIAP, no, na magkakaroon po ng e-learning courses scholarship na ibibigay po through LinkedIn. Okay po? So, ano pong mangyayari dito po sa kanilang orientation? So, the online launch has the following objectives: provide guidance to e-learning scholars on how to activate their accounts on the e-learning platform, familiarize scholars with the features and available courses on the platform, and ensure 100% activation, participation, and completion of courses by all scholars. So, ito lang po applicable sa mga magiging scholars po for this e-learning courses ng NAIAP. So, punta na po tayo sa date. Ito po, no, the National Educators Academy of the Philippines, NAIAP, and LinkedIn Philippines will conduct the online launch of the e-learning courses scholarship program with the schedule and details as follows. So, for Cluster 1, we have Regions 1, 2, 3, 4B, and CORE. Ito po yung nangyari noong March 20, 2025 noong 4 to 5 p.m. Ito pong gamit na link. For Cluster 2, Region 7 and Region 6, March 24, 2025, kahapon po ito nangyari. And then, ito po, inaabangan po natin Region 8, 9, and 10, and Region 8 nga po, March 25, bukas po to, 2025, meron pong dalawang time, no, na binigay po, no, for Region 8, 9, and 10, and Region, yun po, no, 8, 9, and 10, 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. at Region 7 and CR, 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. And for Region 4A, March 26 naman po, 2025, we have 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. So, yun po, teachers, nakapagbigay po ako ng important updates about NAIAP e-scholarship program. So, don't forget po to subscribe and hit the notification para pag meron po tayong mga ilalabas po na NAIAP courses and DepEd seminars ay kayo po maging updated. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.